Hey everyone, it's the Eclectic Handyman here with a video on this Ford constant tension hose clamp. This actually is a brand new hose coming off the power steering reservoir, and it's got this locking tab. These are really pretty trivial to actually squeeze and get off when you're working with an existing hose, but when they come new from the factory or you've replaced it, these come like this, and what they are is they're locked with that little tab. And so, taking a look online, there's lots of different types of these constant spring hose clamps, but none that really showed on how to get this one to unlock and tighten down. So basically what we need to do is pull this back so that it comes over that tab that's locked in there, and then this will clamp down. So let's take a look at how to do that. All right, so I've gone ahead and used my hose clamp pliers that I got. It's part of a set that I have off of Amazon. And I want to apply that pressure again in kind of a rolling upward motion that will pull that tab off that interlocking tab and clamp it down. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. And there you go. I can release the tool. And the clamp has been installed. So it's that easy. Just kind of roll it forward and get it off that tab. Anyway, quick tip here from the Eclectic Handyman. Till next time, we'll see you later.